Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove SD card from Insta360 Ace Pro. To do this, we'll need to take a look on the left side of our camera. Right here you can find the hatch that you need to pull down where that arrow shows. This should open this slot, and inside you can find the slot for the card. There's also a drawing that you can see how to insert the card. That means the cut corner needs to be aligned like this. Slide it in and push it slightly with your fingernail or something very thin, and now the card is properly inserted. If you want to remove it, then click on that card with your fingernail and then remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.